today we will unbox together the new version of Sofitan machine guns. Let's do it. The vest, ammunition, two type of ammunition, plenty of the ammunition. Face mask, because safety first, glasses to save your eyes, two ammunition holders, special optic. This is the electric machine for the gun. You need to charge it first. As you can see, the light here is loaded. Let me try. It comes with lighting, scope, magazine. In case of jamming, you need to clean the bullet from here. This is the battery, this is the bolt, this is the trigger, and this is the safety lock. The range of this machine gun is 70 plus feet. That means you can hit a target up to 70 feet away. Go order the Phase N from Sofitan.